All right, one of the first things we need to do is safely raise and support the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. We're going to remove the lug nuts and take the tire off. Let's go ahead and get the upper portion of the sway bar link off of the strut. Use your wrench, and then you're going to need to use a tool to hold the center. There we are. Now let's do the same to the lower. Let's get ready to install our brand new sway bar link. Something that I want you to look at is right here on the stud. You have an area that you can grab onto with a wrench. Start that knot on there. Let's get our sway bar link in here. Let's torque this to 55 foot-pounds. Do the same to the other one. Let's get the wheel back on here. We'll snug up all the lug nuts, and then we'll torque them to 76 foot-pounds. With the wheel so it's just barely touching the ground, let's go ahead and torque these. Torqued.